रोटरी इंटरनेशनल प्रेसिडेंट मिस्टर शेखर मेहता हमारे साथ मौजूद हैं। मिस्टर रमेश अग्रवाल भी हमारे साथ हैं। बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया आप दोनों का जुड़ने के लिए। जो हमारी आज की मुहिम है कि भूख मुक्त हो भारत, और ख़ास तौर से हमारे जो बच्चे हैं, छोटे बच्चे हैं जो हम देख सकते हैं, ख़ास तौर से प्रवासी मजदूर जो सड़कों पर चले जा रहे हैं अपने माता पिता के साथ चलते, कोई सूटकेस में सो रहा है तो कोई किस तरह से माता पिता उनको ले जा रहे हैं, मन में क्या भाव और किस तरह से इनकी मदद की जा सकती है?
ये बच्चे अभी जो इस महामारी चल रही है, they are one of the most affected people. It is one of our life's biggest crisis, and we all need to ensure that our children are safe, they get nutrition, their education is not hampered. And these are very important things, and fortunately Rotary is working towards all of these. As far as food security is concerned, till now we have provided food to about 35 lakhs to 40 lakh people, of which naturally every family has a lot of children. As far as healthcare for them is concerned, we have spent approximately 15 to 20 crores of rupees only on medical facilities, supplies, etc. We've provided 1 crore masks over this period. All the Rotary clubs, there are nearly 4,000 Rotary clubs in India, and this is what they've been able to do. Apart from this, PM CARES Fund itself, we have made a contribution of 105 crore rupees already, and there is more which is flowing in. The value of the work that Rotarians have done for COVID, apart from this 105 crores that has been sent directly to PM CARES, would be another about 75 to 80 crores, total coming to about 180 crores, which for people who pay out of their savings is a big amount of money. And most of it, a lot of it will go towards the children. Apart from this, education is a major area. Education ke liye, we have been talking to the government, and fortunately, we have been working on online education for the last 10 years. करीब 30,000 स्कूलों तक हम पहुंचे हैं. तो अभी हमने गवर्नमेंट को कहा है, we have ready curriculum, and we are in talks with them to provide that curriculum to them over the next 10-15 days. Class 1 से 12 तक का curriculum हर state के लिए उनको मिल जाएगा ready, which will be provided online, and it is one of the best audiovisual curriculum that can be available.
In fact, we just wanted to go across to Ramesh ji for more on this. Ramesh ji, how does one actually contribute to actually making some of your plans work?
See, basically, first, I would like to tell you that World Vision India has been one of our reliable partners. We are already working closely with World Vision India since last many years. We are working in schools, like Wash in Schools program that we have today. And we can certainly rely on World Vision because it is a grassroots organization, highest level of transparency, and they mean business. And the way forward, I think, as our Rotary International President nominee has already mentioned, I think we got to all our programs are focused toward children. Whether it is Wash in Schools, whether we talk about Wash in Healthcare, whether any kind of program like Back to School, e-learning, providing clean water in schools or in communities. So our focus is again children.
Thank you so much, both of you, for joining us. Dr. Srinath Reddy, the President of the Public Health Foundation of India, with us as well. Dr. Reddy, how important is it for us never to forget the importance of nutrition in children in a COVID situation? Yes, statistically, young people get better. Children are perhaps somewhat less vulnerable, but that really depends on the nutrition that they are receiving. And therefore, if they are COVID infected, how important is it for them to be well fed in order to fight off the infection?
Firstly, children do require much better nutrition to maintain their immunity status so that they can fight off an infection. But certainly nutrition is also required for intellectual growth. And during a very important period of life, if they do not have adequate nutrition, their cognitive development and brain power are affected. But let us also recognize that we are actually having a situation of pre-existing disadvantage. We have about 35% of our children who are already under 5 in a stunted state. Then about 33.4% were underweight and about 17.3% are wasted. Now, these are the national averages, but people from poor families obviously have much higher levels of undernutrition, which means that we are denying them an opportunity for cognitive development. And that also restricts not only their educational and growth opportunities and later on employment, but essentially constricts their whole future even in adulthood.
Right. I just wanted to go back to Mr. Ramesh Agarwal, who chairs the Rotary India Sanitary Mission, with a fairly pointed question, sir. How can Rotary India support this cause where we are talking about hunger and children in this particular time?
Yeah, so we are going to support World Vision India through our Wash in Schools program. That is one program. And today,
Yes, go ahead. Go ahead.
Yeah, today I am making a small announcement. A couple from my club, Rotary Club of Delhi, Ashoka, Archana Gupta and Anil Gupta, Managing Director of KEI Industries Limited, has committed to contribute 20 lakhs as a beginning. And more big announcements will come from Shekhar Mehta, who is already there. But this is as a beginning, 20 lakhs from Rotary Club of Delhi, Ashoka towards this COVID-19 relief fund from Rotary.
रमेश जी, बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया इस डोनेशन के लिए। वाकई में बहुत ज़रूरी है कि हमारे ये डोनेशन आए और हमारे बच्चों तक पहुंचे ज़मीनी स्तर पर, कि उनको अच्छा पोषित खाना मिल सके। सर, वर्ल्ड विजन इंडिया के साथ हम ये कर रहे हैं, साथ मिलकर ये पूरी मुहिम आगे बढ़ रही है। आप लोग सैनिटेशन में जिस तरह से इतना ध्यान दे रहे हैं, जो इतने बच्चे राह में चल रहे हैं, क्या कुछ खास किया गया? ज़रा थोड़ा सा हमारे दर्शकों को बताइए आप लोगों की तरफ से।
शेखर जी आप बता रहे हैं, मैं बताऊं?
जी
बताता हूं।
शेखर जी बताइए।
हाँ।
So in sanitation के लिए I want to make a mention here कि in today's program we commit that from Rotary we will spend an amount of ₹1 crore for sanitation, providing hand washing. हमने कोविड में ये देखा कि हर बच्चे को हाथ धोने की जरूरत है। We will provide into 1,000 schools. We will provide this, and the value of that will be nearly 2 crore rupees. 1 crore. We are putting a challenge here now to all the people who will come hereafter. Whatever amount you put for sanitation, hand wash in schools, we will match that amount on behalf of Rotary in India.